Hi everyone. Today we're visiting Dolly and Rome Kitchen, and we wanted to show you around and explain the final results. So I did quite a few videos in terms of the layout and how we planned it out. And now it's finished. Everything is done. The clients already had the chance to use the kitchen for a couple of months, and they're happy with the layout. They like how everything turned out, and it looks very nice. The layout worked. The clients are happy that we opened up one of the walls that we're going to show you in a second. There's a few modifications that happened during the construction, so we're planning to make this island a little bit of a different shape, which they decided not to do and just do a nice rectangular with an overhang at the end for 3 people seating, and then also doing a waterfall on the other side. Very interesting feature that we were looking about waterfalls. Every time if you're working on the island and you want to be using this side, if you don't have the recessed panel, it's going to be harder to kind of stand and use this space. So that's why Dolly came up. She said, why don't we just raise the countertop, the quartz off the ground? So it turned out very nice. It looks clean. It still has the waterfall effect and overall feel of the waterfall. And so the island is functioning, working well. Lots of storage. We made this section all drawers. This is also additional storage on this side, as well as a built-in wine rack. And so lots of stuff in there. Now we go to this section. This is more of like a hutch unit, and this is where the wall was supposed to be. So one of the designs we had originally, the fridge was supposed to go on this wall, and we decided to not do the wall, just make it an open space and add extra cabinetry on this side. We did a nice corner glass cabinet for wine glasses and stuff, and additional storage drawers for the dining room, and as well as this corner cabinet. Take a look how the corner cabinet turned out. We mitered all the edges, so it's a nice 45 door. Very neat, different look. Now on this side we have a big fridge, which is nice. It works for the client. That's what they wanted. It was a challenge to fit it in here, but it now, since everything it's an open space, it works great. Lots of storage on top with some tray dividers and a lot of cutting boards. So we have the built-in oven microwave combination, decorative hood with the serious built-in fan, cooktop, lots of storage in here. We have a nice oil rack pull-out, so that's on the side. And another interesting feature is, if you look at the sink, it's 2 faucets. Again, not your standard thing, but when we work in the design, everybody has their the different things and the way they like to use their kitchen, and Dolly likes to have 2 faucets. So it looks it looks very cool. It's different, and that's what works for them. So when they're both using the sink, they're not sharing and just could be independent. Here we have a pull-out garbage double bin, and extra storage on the top, dishwasher. And again, now for more storage, we're turning the kitchen into here, and another nice glass cabinet. Again, we're keeping the angles 45, so it's glass shelves inside. Lots of drawer space, nice big drawers on this side. You have stuff for the backyard, and then we also did pantry storage. So these are also nice and deep, so it's not too deep, so you can still see what's inside the pantry, and at the same time it holds enough storage for the kitchen. So that's overall an overview of this kitchen. And again, if you've seen the design process, we spent a lot of time designing it, trying to make sure that the layout is going to work, and it turned out we didn't make any mistakes. The layout works well. Clients are happy, and they have lots of room to entertain and spend the time in this open concept kitchen.